Hi guys, my name is Mr. Kev and in today's episode I'm gonna show you guys how to play one of my songs called Doctor. Just give me bells too. Many of you have been asking me on the comment section on how to play this song. First things first, this is a capo. Get one of these. Slap it on number 3 over here, which is basically transposing the entire thing by 3 semitones. Just remember, I'll be talking about chords, the name of chords as I would call it if it is in the normal position. Just remember that it's transposed by 3 points. Slap a capo on number 3. This is the first portion of the song. So there's a bit of a sly hand palm muting kind of a thing which I do. Press and take it away, press and take it away. So it's a mixture of both. You palm mute it and so it's like. I tend to do this subconsciously. So this is A minor, 7, D, 7. Let me slow it down for you guys. So I do a lot of funky business with my right hand. It's something that you will get used to as time goes by. I can't let go. This feeling makes me cold. My love, you send chills down my bones. Odor is captivated, to say the least. I've been trained, baby. This is where it changes to an F. So F, I leave the E string open. So ideally you would hold F with a bar, or with your index finger you'll play both the strings, but here what I tend to do is I leave the E open. I play the E along with the F, and then you play a C without this note. So it's the pre-chorus before the chorus comes in. Don't you criticize F and then there's an C. Then again F, and you move to an A sharp major, and then B minor 7th, and then E major, E major something. This is an E major. So and I let it slide. One more, back to first one. So this is the third part of the song, which is the chorus, which goes. D7, E7. Slightly different from how the verse goes. Verse goes, you stay on the A minor and then you move to the D7. But over here in the chorus you go. So I tend to play this fast, so it goes. Just give me pills too. So I add this A minors. I just play with this, that's it. So it goes. But I add a triplet in between over here, so it goes. So this is something that you keep practicing to get it right. So it goes. This is it. This is the loop that keeps repeating. I hope you guys enjoyed this particular tutorial. Catch you guys on another episode very soon, hopefully. Let me know if you would like to know about the other songs that I play. Don't forget to subscribe. Please hit that like button if you like this episode, like this tutorial. Please share my songs, share my works across to other people. Thanks a lot, and I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.